going to write an equation of a circle given the endpoints of a diameter. And so think about this. We have this circle with this center right here, and any diameter is going to travel through that center point. And it is going to be twice the length of the radius. And these endpoints will define a line segment whose midpoint is the center. So we're going to use both the midpoint and the distance formulas here. So the midpoint between 3, 4, and -5, -6 is 3 minus 5 over 2, and 4 minus 6 over 2. That's -2 over 2, which is -1, and -2 over 2, which is also -1. So that's our center. Now, our diameter is the distance between the 2 points. So the change in x here is 8. And the change in y here is 10. And so that's the square root of 164, which is, I could take a 4 out of that. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 times the square root of 41. That doesn't simplify any further. Now the important thing to remember here is this is the diameter, not the radius. The radius is equal to 1/2 of the diameter. So in this case, the square root of 41. So the radius squared is 41 itself. And our formula then is x minus -1 squared, y minus -1 squared is equal to the radius squared. So writing the equation of the circle is not the difficult point, or difficult part. The difficult part, or the actual learning objective part of this type of problem, is the recognition that a diameter is twice the radius and that it must travel through the center. And we can use the distance and midpoint formulas to get the rest of the information that we need.